Welcome to JJ Learner's Sport. Today's topic is how to approach word problems in maths. Word problems are a little bit harder than direct questions, but follow these 9 easy steps to solve word problems and you find that it is much easier. Subscribe our channel and watch the full video. Here are 9 simple steps to tackle word problems with confidence. Step 1. First of all, read the question slowly and carefully. Read the question once or twice and understand the problem. Step 2. Identify the question. Identify what the problem is asking you to find or to solve. Give attention to keywords like what, determine, or calculate. Second step, identify the question. Step 3, list out what is given. List out the given values or any conditions if they given. Step 4, break it down. Break the bigger problem into smaller parts. Identify constants, variables, and the relationships. Step 5, transform word problems into mathematical symbols. Form equations or draw diagrams, whatever it needed. Step 6, plan. Plan what formula is to use or what operation is to perform or what strategy step-by-step method to follow. Step 7, solve the problem. Execute the plan and solve the problem. Perform the operations and solve it. Step 8, check your answer. Verify your answer by substituting on the question or any alternative methods. Step 9, answer statement. Write your answer in words. Write simple and clear answer statement to question.
Okay, let's see one problem. This is an exercise problem in exercise 3.1. First problem. What is step 1? First of all, read the problem. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution graphically. They are asking to form the linear equations and find the solution using graphical method. 10 students of class 10 took part in maths quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Total number of students is 10. Number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Step 2. Identify the question. Here what's the question? Find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Total students are 10. They are asking to find the number of boys and girls. So what is given? Total number of students is 10 and what keyword number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Step 4. Break it down. Let the number of girls be X. Let the number of boys be Y. We take the number of girls be X and number of boys be Y. And total number of students is 10. So, number of boys plus number of girls equal to X plus Y equal to 10. This is the first equation. And second, what's the condition? The condition number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So, X equal to Y plus 4. So, X minus 4 equal to X minus Y equal to 4. This is the second equation. Step 5. Transform word problems into mathematical symbols. Here we transform word problems into mathematical symbols using variables and constants. We get pair of linear equations.
Step 6. Plan.
What strategy we are going to use? We are going to plot the points on the graph and we are going to find the solution using graphical method.
Step 7. Solve the problem.
Okay, put x equal to 0, you get y equal to 10 in first equation. Put y equal to 0, you get x equal to 10. And in second equation, put x equal to 0, you get y equal to 4 minus 4. And put y equal to 0, you get x equal to 4. Now we are going to plot the points on the graph. 0, 10. Here it is. 0, 10. Next one, 10, 0. Where it is? 10, 0. So it forms a straight line. Second equation, 0, minus 4. Where it is? Here it is. 0, minus 4 and 4, 0. 4, 0. So this forms a straight line. The two straight lines intersect at the point 7, 3. So 7, 3 is the solution. So we get the solution x equal to 7, y equal to 3. Step 8. Verify the answer. Put x equal to 7 and y equal to 3 in this equation. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So 10 equal to 10. So it's the correct answer. Step 9. Answer in bats. So what's the question? Find the number of boys and girls who participate in the quiz. So the
Number of girls is 7 and number of boys is 3.
now we are going to see the subdivision 2. First question, subdivision 2. First of all, read the question. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. Whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. Rupees. Identify the question and the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. We are asking to find the cost of one pencil and cost of one pen. Let the number of pencils be x. Number of pencils be x. And then number of pens be y. Pens be y. So what is given? 5 pencils plus 7 pens equal to rupees 50. Fourth step, identify the relationship between variables and constants. Fifth step, transform the word problems into mathematical symbols. So 5x plus 7y equal to 50. This is the first equation. Second equation, 7x plus 5y equal to 46. This is the second equation. Sixth step, man. We are going to solve this pair of linear equations by using graphical method. Seventh step, solve. Put x equal to 3, you get y equal to 5 in first equation. Put y equal to 0, you get x equal to 10. And for the second equation, put x equal to 3, you get y equal to 5. Put y equal to minus 2, you get x equal to 8. Next, we are going to plot the points on the graph. First equation, 3, 5. Where is 3, 5? Here it is. 3, 5. And then 10, 0. Where it is? Here it is. 10, 0. So this form a straight line. Second, 3, 5. At the same point, 3, 5. Next one, 8, minus 2. Where is 8, minus 2? Here it is. 8, minus 2. Obviously, it intersects at the point 3, 5. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. You can verify the relation by putting on the equation. So the cost of one pencil is 3 and the cost of one pen is 5. Sorry, this is the cost of pencils. Cost of pens be y. So finally, answer in bats. Answer, cost of one pencil is 3.
Cost of one pen is 5.
That's how. By practicing more problems, you will master word problems. Thanks for watching.